Today in this video I will show you how you can make this delicious bowl. Okay guys, first off you want to just start off with cleaning the balloon. Just, you know, sort of wipe around it. Then after you can dry it off. After cleaning you want to take a little oil and just go around the balloon. Next what you want to do is just take just a little bit chocolate and put it here. This is just to help the balloon sit. It'll help the balloon stay in place. Okay. So next what we're going to do is we're going to dip the balloon. Also, you don't want your chocolate to be, you know, really hot, because if it is really hot, it will bust the balloon. Okay, now after it's all dried, I'm going to just pick it up and put in the white. And we're going to turn it to the side, but don't go as deep as you went with the chocolate. Okay, now what I want to do is take a little bag of chocolate. Okay, you can just set this in the fridge so that it can set quickly and it won't drip too much. What you want to do next is just make a small incision, and don't let the air out all at once. Let it out slowly. Just let it down really slow. Okay guys, this is it. This is the chocolate bowl. And it's really big. It's very pretty. Here's the inside of it. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye. popcorn, and of course your cups of white chocolate. You want to split your white chocolate into different containers. In one of them you are going to take and using the red icing color, and you can get this from either Walmart or Michael's. Okay, now you want to refrigerate this. This here is the popcorn after it's hardened. So I have this bowl that I made in the previous. Guys, this is it. This is your chocolate popcorn dessert bowl. Chocolate candy popcorn dessert bowl. It's very easy to make.